Class, this will be your introductory video for Business 302 here at EKU. I'm Dr. Benjamin Woodruff. I will be your professor this semester. This is showing you what your Blackboard course should look like. Currently, it says here it's unavailable, but it will be by the time you're watching this video. This is the announcements, so you will always want to come to this page first. This is where I'll post videos and that sort of thing to help you out. If you click down here on the syllabus, schedule, and rubrics, you'll see here is our course syllabus, which I will open for you. I'll bring this back up in just a second and just move it out of the way. You'll see here too, pack back, and I walk through how to do pack back. I mentioned the dates. If you notice here, every Friday is when everything is due. That's because the semester ends on a Friday. And so you have a short first week, but that's only one chapter. So instead of having a short week there at the end of the semester, you get a little bit of a short week at the beginning. And then again, that's actually the same pack back link. And then if you click here on the weekly modules, you'll see modules 1 through 8, right? And you'll also see here review materials. These review materials are just for you, right? It also includes this one for the calculator. And what this will do is to work through how to set up the calculator. If you notice this calculator here, this is the one that we recommend for this course. Excuse me. So yeah, that's the review materials, and then with each of our modules, the odd modules will have a set of slides. They'll have whichever chapters. We'll have our pack back assignment, and then you'll have an assignment, which is the homework basically, and then you'll have a quiz. The quiz is made up of the same questions that will make up your exam. So let me go to the next module. So on the even modules, right, they'll look the same as the odd with the addition of exams. So exam 1 is in module 2, exam 2 is in module 4, exam 3 is in module 6, and exam 4, which is our final exam, that is in the 8th module. So every other module will have an exam, and then these odd numbered modules, there's no exam, but there is still going to be the pack back, the assignment, and the quiz. So that being said, let me go ahead and pull up our syllabus. Hopefully I don't have to change this before it you use the class. There may be a little bit if spell check or something jumps out at me, but yeah, so this course is set up, the catalog, the objectives, all that is set obviously ahead of time. These are the learning objectives. These are the things that we're going to be learning in here. This is our intro to finance course. So we give you a little taste of corporate. We give you a little bit of investment knowledge. We're going to do some capital structure and then some capital budgeting. So we kind of move across all the major areas of finance. The textbook should be included the first day of the course. And as you're doing the modules, you'll see those smart book chapters show up or learn smart chapters. You don't have to do those. Those aren't worth any points, but you probably should because it'll help you with the material. Although I do put up slides, and some videos will be posted about the same time this one goes live, where I go through the slides as well. But so you should always do those readings. You're going to do your assignments, your assessment, and your exams. And I didn't list pack back; it's further down. But yeah, that'll be one of those changes when you guys are looking at this. I'll just have a little blurb about pack back. Again, same dates. So how does the points work? There's 8 pack back, there's 8 module assignments and 8 module assessments. So each of those are worth 25 points each week, right? And then that's 200 points total, right? And then your exams are worth 100 points each, and there's 4 of them. So altogether, it's 1,000 points. So when you're looking at your course, everything should, all your points should show up here, although for some reason Packback's not mapped. I'll click on Packback and show you where you can check on that score. And I want you to do that to point out if it's doing something wrong. Wait, I was looking at the syllabus. So yeah, that's how those points will work. And then yeah, this is all the standard date stuff given in the course material. Although, like, that's wrong too, right? Because this is looks like it copied B and not A, so I'm gonna have to change that because it's summer A, not summer B. But here's the chapters as we go through them. It's 2 per week, except that first week, that's the short week. You only have the intro chapter. And that homework assignment's actually only like 3 questions. So yeah, so there's that. That's the syllabus. Like I said, there might be a few changes when you look at it. Because I'm going to put that Packback link in and make sure those dates are corrected. But yeah, so that will be here. The Packback rubric. Please go read over this document. It explains what you're looking for. But Packback uses AI to grade automatically, right? Again, these are those dates. And then the calculator that I recommend you look at getting is a BA2 Plus. This is a student edition. This is what the professional edition looks like, right? You can get either one. And there is also an application called BA Calc. So if you go look for this BA Calc, you can find it in Google and Apple stores. It's a free version of that calculator. Now, obviously, you won't be able to use this on a professional exam because it's your smartphone. But if you're not sure if you want to buy the calculator, that's a way to get the calculator that does most of this stuff for you. So you're not trying to memorize formulas or anything like that. So most of the problems I will show you how to do it in Excel and then with the calculator. And we'll go over the formulas, but normally we're not going to do it algebraically. We're going to use technology in solving it. So you see up here, group discussion boards listed. Ignore that. If you ever come across something that says discussion board, it means Packback, right? We're using Packback for all of those discussions. But yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, it's benjamin.woodruff@eku.edu, and I'll be very happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.